Okay, this is my week in review. Just wanted to go over the trades I made and see what I'm tracking on my spreadsheet. I had this Roku put credit spread that I had started last month. I had rolled it forward, sitting at, I think this ends up being like $15 here. That's the difference, but I'll just leave it as is. So I had this put credit spread at, originally sold the put at 90, due to expire 1.5, and then bought a put at 85, due to expire 1.5. So it's a put credit spread, and it was going against me. It was starting to be like well in the money. I think it was going past my long position, or I would have been stopped out at my max loss, or it would have been in the middle and I would have been assigned. And I wanted to roll this forward, so I had originally sold the put at 90, so I bought it back, and originally bought the put at 85 and sold that back, and then I went out in time to 126 and sold a put at 90, and then I bought a put at 84, so I dropped down the short leg in price just a little bit so I'd get the premium to match up and pretty much at least break even. So if you take 610 is what I collected in premium for the put here, and I had to spend money to buy this put like a regular credit spread, but I had to also buy back my original sold put and buy back my original buy put here. It ends up being $15 net credit, so that's kind of where I'm sitting now, and it's been hard to deal with. This one is at 86 right now. It's right between my two strikes, so we'll see what happens. This has got till the 26th to expire, so hopefully it'll go up and down. Now it's the 13th, so if I look at the price of Roku over the past week, it was up to like 94 and some change, and it's just steadily kind of dropped, and then it really dropped here. So I'm hoping this is going to go back up, and I want it to roll forward again, but we'll see what happens when the time comes. So that's kind of where I'm sitting here. I think this is actually 15. So I had this AI covered call going. It was getting close to expiration, so I just bought it back. So I did a buy to close, bought it back for $2 after collecting premium of 84. So that was a good trade, and I'll go ahead and do a covered call on that again. I had this NEE stock that was pretty close to being in the money, so I bought it back for 6 and I had collected 45, so it worked out okay there. This SOXL stock, I had originally had an expiration at 112, collected $50 for that, and I rolled it down to 119, collected another $27 for that, so that's in process. This Intel was due to expire yesterday on the 12th, cash secured put. I had originally collected 27. I bought it back by the close at 28. It took $1 loss just because it looked like it was going to go in the money, and I'd start losing money quick, so I just got rid of it. So I got to figure out what I want my trades to be for next week. So far this month, I've collected $256.97. The average return is 1.1. I'm hoping to get for my goal of reaching 30%, which might be a little lofty. It needs to be up to 2.5% for the month, but I've got half the month left to go, so we'll see what happens there. One trade I want to do for next week is that I've got this 100 shares of AI, so I want to do a covered call against that. My average cost was $30. Not going to really see any good premium for that if I do sell, call, and I go out almost 2 weeks here. 28, it's lower than my cost, but I think I could, there's a good premium. It's pretty high delta. Maybe this is not a good option. It's hard to decide. It's within my range, but it's at the high end. If the price starts to go in the money towards expiration, I think I could just roll this up and out at the time and get up to my cost, which is $30. $30 now is only going to get me $20. If I look at AI over the course of the past month, it's gone high. It's gone above 30, but in general, it's been well below 28. It's gone down here. It's gone up to 28.90 here, but it's since really dropped. So I think it's safe to do this for a $50 premium. Let's see, 28, collect $50. And if I need to, I'll just roll this up and roll this out at the time. plugging this into my spreadsheet. I've got here expiration 119, strike price is 28, current price is 26.04, collected $50 premium, and that brings my average up. That's a pretty good return there, so brings my average up a little bit. Now I've collected 306.97. We'll see how this goes, and I'll post more videos as time goes on.